You're watching Prime 5 with me, Raisha Saigal, shifting our focus to Parasakti politics. A new controversy has erupted linked to two Tamil movies, Parasakti and TVK chief Vijay Jananayagan. Parasakti actor now Siva Karthikeyan was seen attending a Pongal event in Delhi with Prime Minister Modi. Right, those are the visuals on your screens right now of Siva Karthikeyan attending Pongal with Prime Minister Modi in Delhi. Now, that has led to Congress launching a sharp attack on Team Parasakti. Congress MP Manikam Tagore put out a cryptic tweet where he asked, is Team Parasakti part of Sanghi group? While Jananayagan is blocked. Jananayagan, remember, is actor turned politician, TVK chief Vijay's latest movie, but it has not released for days now. It was slated to release on January 9th as its censor certificate is stuck. Siva Karthikeyan has spoken out following the Congress's attack that he has no political agenda and that he only wishes Vijay the best for his movie. BJP leaders, meanwhile, have said that they're also waiting for Jananayagan and keep cinema and politics separate. Take a listen to all the reactions that have been coming in on this.
அனைவருக்கும் இனிய பொங்கல் திருநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். Let this festival spread joy and prosperous throughout the country.
Are you happy with the response your movie is getting?
Yeah, amazing response, and I'm very happy. I'm celebrating Pongal here in New Delhi.
What is your expectation from the elections coming up?
That I should not comment on it, I think. I'm here to celebrate Pongal and I wish everyone a great joy and prosperity.
One word for the Jananayagan which is still awaiting a censor clearance.
Whenever it comes, it will be a celebration.
Of course, I am happy. Yeah, it's a very, very, very hard film to make, and a lot of actors in the movie, multi-starrer, and each person has dedicated at least 1.5 years for this movie. The director dedicated 5 years for this movie. So I'm really happy that the movie
Your role is specifically being appreciated because you're the villain there. What kind of preparation did you put into that?
No, I'm a director's actor and I'm so glad that I listened to the director because whatever is coming out now, the comments, the feedback from me, it's amazing. And to be a hero for so long and to do one villain role and that to get noticed, I'm not going to do villain roles, frequently. Maybe once in 5-10 years I will do. I'm glad that I chose this.
What is your hope for Jananayagan which is still awaiting CBFC clearance?
My prayers and my sincere wishes that the movie has to come on time. That is all I'm praying for as an ardent fan and person from the movie industry. I would only wish that Vijay all his problems are solved and he comes out with great success.
No controversy. That is people are understanding it and taking it in the right way, and what we intended, that's reaching the people, and if they watch the film completely, they will understand it. Thank you. No propaganda. I don't have any propaganda also. No, they will understand it. If they watch the film, maybe or the second time, they will understand it even better. And all of us are brothers, and we are not trying to say anything extra also. I wished him for his political journey, personally also, and in social media also. And his film, it will release soon.